At the State House today, a call for state lawmakers to pass a ban on abortion. Supporters gathered on the north side of the State House in support of the Fetal Heartbeat Protection Act, and they want lawmakers to take action before they adjourn next month.
We are going to be meeting with state senators and state representatives tomorrow morning here at the State House. We've been in communication with lots already, just working on trying to get pro-life legislation passed in our state, trying to reflect the values of the people of South Carolina.
Abortion bills at the State House are currently at a standstill. The Senate's version would ban abortion after 6 weeks. Meanwhile, the House is not budging on their total abortion ban, which was first introduced in February. It would ban abortions from conception.